Namaskar. Myself Saurabh Srivastava, Assistant Professor, School of Management Sciences, Varanasi. Welcome to my channel Anusandhan, and in this new series of videos related to marketing management. In this video, I am going to discuss about nature and scope of marketing. Nature and scope of marketing. Let's start. Already I have discussed the basics of marketing and marketing management in previous video, and in this video I am going to discuss, I would like to start with nature of marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is an activity, set of institution and processes for creating, communicating and delivering value to the customer. Value to the customer is a marketing, and marketing is all about right product, the right place, at the right time, at the right price. It's a marketing. And now we do one by one about nature of marketing. The first nature is marketing is art as well as science. How it is art and as well as science? I hope already you know very well. Marketing is a science. Why? Marketing consists some set of theories and principles related to every function of the marketing. If I am talking about the new product development, we have a set process for developing the new product. If I am talking about the pricing, there are different strategy to determine the price of the product or services. If I am talking about the product development, we have a set process and principle for developing the product, and how to deliver the product to the customer. There are set rules and regulations related to the supply chain management and logistic management. So it means the marketing management is a science, because marketing have set rules and regulation, principle and theories related to activities of marketing. And why it is called art? Because art, the implementation of the any marketing activity is up to the person who is going to implement. Suppose we have a theory to motivating the people, motivating the sales force. There are different kind of theories in marketing as well as in organizational behavior also for the motivation theories. But you have a knowledge of the theories, you know about how to motivate the people, but principle or one strategy is not implemented in different places to different person. It's up to you. Maybe the salesperson is different, maybe place are different, maybe organization is different, maybe product nature is different. It depend upon the situation, which kind of motivation skill is required, which kind of motivation strategy is required to motivate the sales force. It depend upon the manager. It depend upon the manager, and how to implement is totally depend upon the manager. That's why it is called art. Marketing is an art, because it's totally depend upon the person who is going to take decision, who is going to implement the activity. The effectiveness of the activity is depend upon the how to implement the activity to the sales force or to the customer, in the market, anywhere. That's why marketing is an art. This is the first nature. Second one is marketing is customer oriented. As you know very well, customer is the king in the market. It is always customer oriented, because anything you are creating, each and everything is for the customer. You are creating something for the customer. You are communicating to the customer. You are delivering something to the customer. Each and everything is depend upon the customer. It is always, the marketing is customer oriented. The objective of marketing is customer satisfaction. The objective of marketing is customer satisfaction. may more than customer satisfaction like customer delightment. The profitability get by the companies and some value, benefit, utility, these kind of things is get by the customer. It means the both party exchanging some value. But what? It is always customer oriented. The next one is it is dynamic in nature. Because market is dynamic, the situation is dynamic. Say now this time, in this present time, this is COVID-19 era. Corona काल चल रहा है भाई. Then there are so many new products in the market like sanitizer, masks, gloves. There are different kind of innovative machines for the sanitization introduced in the market by the marketer. Why these kind of new product, innovative product in the market? Because the market is dynamic. The situation is changed. That's why we can say that this is very important nature of the marketing. Marketing is always dynamic in a nature. And next one is relationship oriented. Marketing is always relationship oriented because customer relationship management is very important function of the marketing. If I'm talking about the marketing management, marketing is what? Marketing is getting, keeping and growing. Getting, keeping and growing. Customer आना चाहिए, कस्टमर आपके साथ रिटेन करना चाहिए और भी कस्टमर, नए कस्टमर जुड़ना चाहिए. इट मीन्स हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल? इट इज पॉसिबल विद द रिलेशनशिप. दैट्स वाई कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट प्लेज very significant role in the activity of the marketing. So it is always relationship oriented. If marketer have good relation with the customer, then marketer will get more customer in the future. Right now, there are different kind of customer relationship management activities is going on. Like you got the SMS at your birthday. You got the SMS, this is your car servicing time. Suppose you forgotten about your service date. Then you will get a call from the service center. You will get SMS. What is this? This is for trying to maintain the relationship with the customer. That's why customer will say, I'm satisfied. This is all about the customer relationship management. And the last one is the marketing is social and managerial function. Why managerial function? Already you know very well. They all are related to the management and managerial function. But marketing is why social? Marketing is why social because the awareness of the marketing, awareness of the product, awareness of the services, how to get the product, how to use the product, what are the content and what is the benefit of the product. These are what? These are provided by the marketer to the customer, and customer and society benefited with these kind of information. Even society, the living standard of the society enhanced due to the marketing, due to the new product, innovative product introduced by the marketer and how to use it communicated to the customer. Already I have given the example of the hand wash. पहले हम मिट्टी से हाथ धोते थे, फिर सोप से हाथ धोते हैं, फिर अभी लिक्विड से हाथ धोते हैं. Different kind of in any product also there are different kind of features enhanced in the product. Just say the car, you have now power steering. It is what? It is enhancing the life standard of the customer, and society is also benefited for the same. So this is all about nature of marketing. Now the next one is scope of marketing. Scope of marketing, the very vague word. You will get different kind of things in different books. Like I read in different books and research paper, I got different kind of scope. But there are few is mentioned here because for the better understanding of the scope of the marketing. बहुत सारे बुक्स में लिखा गया है कि भाई प्रोडक्ट डिजाइनिंग, प्राइसिंग स्ट्रेटजी, कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन, feedback, these are the scope. Yes, these are also scope, but there are few things which is very important from my point of view for understanding of the scope of the marketing. The first one is creating awareness. Marketing is always create the awareness about the product and services in the market. Marketing creates a balance through the information to the society, to the stakeholder, like even for the whole marketing environment. Creating awareness about the product, services, how to use content of the marketing, what about the precaution, the all thing is related to the creating awareness. The next one is boost sales and revenue. With the help of marketing activity, the marketer always get a good revenue and profitability from the market. Sales or revenue improve karta hai due to the marketing. When the marketing was not there in a ancient time, then only product concept or selling concept was existed in the market. But right now, with the help of marketing, you can boost your sales and revenue very easily, because you will get connect to the customer easily with the help of marketing activity. The next one is raise standard of living. Already I have communicated about standard of living. Each and everything, your wallet, your pen, your watch, each and everything now get improved due to the marketing. And the next one is provide employment. Due to the marketing is a separate department in every organization, even in the public organization also. That's why the campaigning is required, the marketing is required. Even in COVID-19 era, the advertisement campaign is always for the awareness purpose. Ki what about the precaution in this era? This is what? These are due to the marketing. We get the information, all information about the COVID-19, what are the precautions and what about the solution when you will get a problem. This is all about creating awareness and provide employment also. And the innovation is always creating new ideas, creating new product, innovative product. This is due to the marketing. Marketer will give the information to the customer about what about you travel with this particular product, what you want more, like Ola is the innovative services, Swiggy is the innovative services, Zomato is the innovative services. These are what? These are services. How it is invented? Due to the marketing only. The marketer get the information to the customer. These kind of services may exist in the market, and right now it is exist in the market. Okay? And now the last one is, it is also helps to boost the national economy. It means the each and everything is all about around the marketing function. Marketing is always balance between inflation and deflation in the national economy. That's why it is also helps in a economic development. That's all about nature and scope of the marketing. I hope सारी बातें आपको समझ में आई होंगी. Thank you so much. धन्यवाद.